Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shalan.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka NGT Committee balakli daw chairman u Justice retired BP Katake kabala syong ya kejingalang ha ka khat sautarik unai weng arjar khat kendai kala penpau ba kamhun setia halor kejing pun kre jong ka Sorkar ya ka draft halor ka policy ban ailat ya kinong khayi Dewïong ban Shalan yau Dewïong bala deputy ubadon kumba palat laifu ar lak metric ton u chairman ke NGT committee u BP Katake ha kejing kren bat kilat patai kubor ulai tho ba ka committee kala patha ya ka Sorkar jela bakan pen kre biang dakawai pat ka draft halor ka ne ka policy bar ha ka bala patha ru ya ka Sorkar bahkan IT ya kene ka draft sya kene ka committee haga arfuai tarik unai weng arjar khat khandai haga ne gejing yalang lawan mikmat ya ka Sorkar jela daki head officer bat kinong mikmat Jong ka Coal India Limited haga wai pat kalyang kene ka committee balathung daga NGT kala pentip ru bakala pen kre ya ka hukum ka bakhaddo na ka bentaban menjur haga bai dei bat ka jing siu bai lutsan sya ki bahayang hasam jong ki lanot ki bala sya tep im haga jing klem ka kremti Dewïong ka badon ha rengksan ka bahap hapo ka East Giant Hills district.
I'm not fully satisfied about the plan they have submitted because to my mind there are certain discrepancies which are required to be removed. Like the foolproof mechanism for transportation, because that would be a very important issue. Unless we have the foolproof mechanism for transportation is in place, there may be transportation of some coal which has not put it into auction. Verbally they said that it would be foolproof, but I told them that I want it in writing. And both parties have to agree, and that should be incorporated in the plan. And also the manner in which the fixed price is to be ascertained. What will be the basis for ascertaining the fixed price under which they cannot auction the coal. And also about the coal being exported to other country or for utilization within the country, in India rather. Those are few of the issues on which I have made certain suggestions. So they will consider and come up with the second draft. So I'll be able to tell you more about it only on 21st, hopefully. Digital thing, and that should be videographed. And the check post also should be manned by, there should be representative from CIL also, apart from the representative of the state government necessarily would be there, and also the CIL representative, because CIL has to take some responsibility. It's a part on what would be the fixed price, because they have to ascertain the first grade. There may be different grades of coal, is not it? And based on the grade, they will fix a price. That this is the minimum price at which we'll put the coal for auction, and if we do not get the minimum price, we will not put it in auction. So that who will fix it? It has to be in consultation with the Coal India people, because they are the experts on this. If it is fixed by the CIL in consultation with the CIL, it's all right, because they are the expert. I do not know whether the present price fixed by the government is the adequate price or not. We have issued the word direction. So basic objection is that instead of direction, it should be suggestion. I said that I don't mind if you accept my suggestion. We shouldn't play with the words. So I told them that let it be suggestion from the whatever directions we have issued. Let it be treated as suggestion, and supply us the information. We want the information. Directions we have issued earlier, and regarding suppose that we issue a direction to make an inquiry relating to the export of coal to Bangladesh, for instance. And that has not been provided to us.
Till now?
Till now. Because they have come up with that application, 1710-2019 application. Within a week, that means by 21st, they will give us in writing which suggestion they will comply with and which suggestion and for what reason it is not possible to comply. I asked the CIL about that, and CIL said that the auction would be about the available coal. If it is less than 32 lakh, it would be less than 32 lakh, and in no case it would be more than 32 lakh. There has to be some women at the time of auction, and they will keep a record on it, and whatever quantity of coal is available but not more than 32 lakh, they will put on auction. That would be in fact done by another agency having office in Calcutta. That agency is conducting e-auction on behalf of the Coal India in other places also. That agency will conduct, because everything would be computerized. The offer would be in that what is called that by e-auction only offer. Amounts, whatever may be the amount that would be deposited, and at the time of lifting of coal, if it is found that he has lifted the amount of coal is not for which he has made the payment, there will be refund. It's mainly environmental issues, which includes definitely the illegal mining, then the illegal transportation, and also what are the steps they have so far taken in to comply with the action plan we have prepared. The government representative, that if you are not finding the action plan we have prepared as a foolproof action plan, make your suggestion so that we can modify it for a better thing. Is not it? And thereafter only we can ask the NGT to release the amount out of the MERF fund. Yes, we have to make a final order on that, and because we have directed interim payment of rupees 1 lakh only, that is a very small amount. But unfortunately, only 10 applicants have approached the committee pursuant to the advertisement we have issued. So those 10 applications that was under consideration by the different deputy commissioners, I'm expecting the feedback from the deputy commissioner tomorrow.